Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an aftermarket product you can buy to turn your DeWalt 20 volt max leaf blower DCB L722 into a turbocharged car dryer. I believe my video showing the DeWalt colors is an exclusive on YouTube besides the inventor of the actual products video. So if you aren't following me already, please hit that button and ring the bell, because going forward, I hope to be a source to bring you new DeWalt products before you can see them anywhere else. Okay, now for this particular product. It's available on Etsy and eBay as of today. I'll include links in the description of this video. You can buy the nozzle alone for $39.99, or for $54.99 you can add the blower band silicone tip, which protects your car from accidental bumps. Shipping is free and there are multiple colors and brands to choose from. The prices also vary depending on the model that you need. Okay, so what makes this product special and worth buying? Because of the shortened length, it's 16.5 inches less than the DeWalt stock tube. It makes the blower much more maneuverable when drying your vehicle, and the slightly tapered outlet directs the air into a tight stream, allowing for even faster drying times. I checked out the reviews online. There are over 200, and the product has a 5-star rating. A lot of the comments are from car detailers who have dedicated car dryers that plug in. They all say how much better this one is performance-wise, and it's easier to operate. Here are the fine details. It's 8 inches long, but only 4.5 inches sticks out from the actual blower. It securely attaches to the blower but won't blow off, yet is still removable. Most customers report leaving the nozzle on for yard work, blowing snow off of their cars, cleaning up their shops, etc. It's 3D printed out of durable PETG plastic. It's designed and made here in the USA, Atlanta, Georgia. Standard lead times on the product is 2 to 3 weeks. Right now, the yellow blower band color option is currently on back order and will ship out in early May, which we're almost in early May anyway. Here's how you attach the nozzle. First, you'll need to take a flathead screwdriver and gently work it back and forth to pop the DeWalt one out. Just put a flathead screwdriver in that little notch and kind of push, and then you might need to get an extra set of hands. You could either set this on the ground and kind of like hold it steady with your feet, but then you push in with a flat-headed screwdriver in that little groove, and then take both hands and kind of work that out. So it does come out. And then to attach the stubby nozzle, as you can see here, it actually has these little grooves, and then all you do is line it up with the blower. You can see there's a groove here, and push that in, and you can actually kind of hear it click into place, and then you're ready to go. It's secure but easily removable. I'm going to take this blower outside and demonstrate its power on my car and maybe my sidewalk too, just to give you an idea of its uses and power. Pretty darn good. So I hope this video was helpful. If there's anything I forgot to cover, please leave it for me in the comments. Please also like and subscribe to my channel, and check me out. I'm on Instagram and TikTok as well. So as always, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.